Everybody, so I got a quick tool haul slash informative video for some Stihl products. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, so I went to my local Mopower lawn equipment store. That's what they're called. They're called Mopower. And they're a landscaping and arborist store you can go to pick up pretty much anything you can think of lawn care wise. A lot of chainsaws, a lot of trimmers, riding lawn mowers. They have a lot of the push, I can't remember what it's called. I think it's called the Yard Boss by Stihl. It's basically got a physical, actual like weed eater motor sitting really close on like 2 bars with 2 wheels, and then you can add attachments to it, and it will function just like the combi system. But I went to check on my order from Mopower, and I ended up getting this tool, which is this guy right here. I'm gonna take the head off. He gave it to me for free because he had a bunch of them. And then this pack is $18.95. The pack of 2-cycle engine oil makes 2 gallons. It's 5.2 fluid ounces. But in order to get 40-to-1 ratio, I would have to use 1 bottle and a portion of the other. Because in order to get, this is 5.2 fluid ounces of basically 2 gallons worth of 50-to-1 ratio oil. So if you want 40-to-1, you have to have 6.4 ounces per 2 gallons. Or 3.2 ounces per 1 gallon. But the reason I'm doing this short little video is because if you buy this 6-pack, it's either 1 gallons or 2 gallon oil. Makes 2 gallons of oil and gas for 2 strokes. You can either get the 1 gallon or the 2 gallon 6-pack. You get an extension on your warranty. Double the extension, actually. So for contractors or constant use, constant duty tools, you get a minimum of 1 year manufacturer warranty. If you buy this, you get an extended warranty, which is 1 year. If you are a consumer, you get a minimum of 2 years warranty for the combi system or whatever Stihl product you buy, chainsaw, whatever it is. And if you buy the oil, you get double the warranty. So for me, I got a 2-year warranty with my order, which I got the combi system KM131R. I got 1 attachment already here, which is the string trimmer. The brush cutter and the combi system motor head is what I'm waiting for. I got 2 years warranty on that. I went back and asked a few questions because I had some questions about some other products, and I picked this up to extend my warranty because I was researching online, and I found information that if you buy oil, or if you buy a 1 gallon or a 1 quart of Stihl Moto Mix, which is their fuel, 50-to-1 ratio fuel, and that stuff has a shelf life of like 2 years, where if I do it this way, it has a shelf life of like 2 months. But so now I have a 4-year warranty. So just a quick little video. I picked up some Stihl oil, Ultra 8 HP Ultra oil, the removable tool for removing the attachments off the string trimmer and or brush cutter head. It locks the splines up so you can physically get them off. That's it, guys. I appreciate you guys listening. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.